This is a used 2007 Mazda CX-7. Zoom Zoom. Powered by all-wheel drive, 4-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. The features include a turbocharger, steering wheel controls, aluminum rims, wheel locks, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, a spoiler, cruise control, keyless entry, split rear seats, privacy glass. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control. Be confident in your purchase with an AutoCheck Vehicle History Report, the industry's trusted vehicle history provider. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.
Troy Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is a pleasant one. We are located at 3230 South County Road, 25A, Troy, Ohio, 45373.